There's a hush in the hallway, a question in every glance. Will the future have room for me, or will I be replaced by a whisper of code? The headlines shout, the rumors swirl, and the air is thick with worry, as if progress means forgetting the hands and hearts that built this place. But Avatar Buddy moves different. We don't let machines write the story alone. We call in the experts, the veterans, the ones who know the pulse of the work. We say, bring your wisdom, your scars, your I've been here before. Let's build something that remembers every lesson you've ever learned. This is not about erasure, it's about elevation. We shape AI agents with your fingerprints, your voice echoing in every answer. Your knowledge becomes the foundation, your experience the guide. So when the world shifts, you're not left behind, you're leading the way. So when the tension rises, when uncertainty knocks at your door, know that with Avatar Buddy, the future is a collaboration. We build together, we rise together, and in this new age of intelligence, no one is left in the shadows.